Simula na naman. Magandang umaga, kaibigan. Eto na naman tayo bago simula. Huminga ng malalim, alisin ang kaba. Tapos na ang kahapon, pwede na yan itapon. Huwag lang ang mga aral, dapat yan ang ibaon. Katulong na sa panibagong hamon. May paparating na bagong araw. Pwede kami namulog, pwede mong sabayan.
Hi, good morning. I am new member sa Club. Happy birthday and good luck in your class. More birthdays to come. Hi, Anin. Once again, happy birthday and have a bountiful birthday. And good luck sa imong exam. Happy birthday. Let's go. Bye. Five, six, seven, eight, go. Happy birthday!
Busog.
Happy birthday, Anin! Happy birthday. Good luck sa board exam. Kabalo ko kaya. Love you! Hi, Nin! Happy birthday! Ilan na dahil edad ni Anin? 22? Yes, 22 na si Anin. 21! Ay, 21 pa si Anin. Pinakong 22 na. Nin, happy birthday! More birthdays to come. Then, we love you so much. We miss you. Kaya mo na yung board exam. Ikaw pa, birthday ka. Thank you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday and many more birthdays to come. And God bless you. Kaya na ni mo yung exam. Thank you.
Ipigil pa, eto na. Walang sige.
Hi, Nin. Good day. Happy birthday. Musta naman? No. Thank you, Dad. Happy birthday. God bless. Good luck. Let's go sa akin. Hi, Nin. Happy birthday. God bless you. More birthdays to come. Good morning. Hi, Nin. I am a new member of Chika. God bless you. Hi, Nin. I'm a new member of Chika Spaghetti. Birthday there. It's your day and celebrating we are so prayerful para sa mga exam. But yes, we are so happy for your birthday. For your 21st birthday. We praying when you do your exam. And not only your board exam, but today and tomorrow. All children, we are here, all here, and especially birthday with
Happy birthday! I wish you all the best. Yan yung time exam. And I wish matapuan kasi sa tapuanan. And then, sad to say, nabilis mo mag-calcule. But it's okay ra. Give up the good word and then see you here. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Hello, Anin! Happy birthday, Dai! This is your, pila na niyo ka birthday? 21st birthday. Congratulations! So, I pray that God will continually use you in the ministry and that amog yung prayer nga makapasar ka sa board exam para level up na po ka para sa imuhang preparation for medicine na po, medicine school. So, continue to be fervent in prayer and be always strong in the Lord for His glory and honor. Happy birthday! We love you!
Hello, Nen. Happy birthday. Congratulations daan. Ang pagpasal. One. Zero lang. We continue to pray for you. And I hope that God will continue to bless you as you take the examination. I pray na gaan pa ka o dugang pagkaalam sa inyo. Gamit sa inyong examination. Kaya then, I'm proud of you. Love you. Thank you. Okay? May God bless you. Congratulations, Daan. Happy birthday.
Hello, Day! Anin! Happy birthday! Take lagi ka po exam, Day. You'll be a future... Take mo na? So, wish you... Lagi-pray ka na mo, Day. And then, kabalunin mo, pasagyo ka. Especially it's your birthday today.
For sure.
Binagtingan mo at the same time. And then tomorrow, maybe another day, Sunday, ihatag yung pinag mo. So, yun na po yung mitik dahil ha. Magpapuha yung migdugo ni mo. Libre. Wishing you all the best. Happy birthday. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Hilton. Sige.
Sana'y bigin sigaw ng ating puso. Hindi susuko, hindi susuko. Ilabas ang iyong pangarap, huwag mo yang itatapo. Samahan mo ng sipag at tatag ng puso. Tumayo ka sa iyong silya, ikaw ngayon ang bida. Wala nang ipigil pa, eto na, eto na. Walang imposible, sige lang, sige. Abot mo ang mundo, malapit malayo, sama-sama tayo. Hanggang sa dulo, ano man ang pagsubok, di susuko. Alam ko kaya mo, sige lang, sige, sige lang, sige. Walang imposible. Kahit ako'y humihinga, sugod lang laban pa. Pangarap ang muting tumislap tulad ng mga bituin. Sige lang, di ka nag-iisa. Sige lang, sige pa. Walang imposible, sige lang, sige